Yes, you can beat a criminal threat case in Los Angeles County. I've been handling these cases for 25 years. I've seen a shift towards more prosecutions, but just because there's more prosecutions doesn't mean they can't be defended. A lot of times, people are being abused. Other people are stealing their money. They're doing all kinds of vicious things to them. And then when they respond back to defend themselves, the next thing you know, the person uses the police as a shield. They bring the police involved, but the police don't always get your side of the story, your version of events. This is where somebody like me comes in. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be your champion. I'm going to let them know the other side of what happened. And we're going to show that you should not be charged with this. In fact, the other person should be charged for what they did to you. We are going to turn the tide. We're going to flip the script, and we're going to beat your criminal threat case.